Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making creamy garlic Parmesan chicken. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my multi-pan. I'm going to melt down 2 tablespoons of butter, and I have this preheated. And for you guys who's missed Dexter, he's back. He was just going through a little bit of rough spell there. He was upset because we got our stimulus checks and he didn't get one. Don't worry Dexter, I'll buy you some special food and some treats. So I'm going to go ahead and melt down my butter here, guys. And Dexter's in a really good mood today. Now I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm using the jarred chopped stuff. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. And I'm just eyeballing this. And I'm going to stir that around with the butter just till it heats through. Dexter! I'm recording a video here. Yes. He didn't hear me say the C word yet. Chicken. So we hope we don't upset him here. Now that my garlic's starting to become really aromatic and heat through, I'm going to add in about 10 ounces of chicken broth. And this here is a 14.5 ounce can. I'm just going to eyeball that. That looks about right. Maybe a tad more. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. And guys, I'm taking a shortcut on this chicken. I'm using the breaded chicken patties. You can make your chicken homemade, but this is a lot quicker and easier. Now to that I'm going to add in a cup of heavy whipping cream. This is a 2-cup container. We're going to eyeball that. That's about right. Give that a stir. It's going to make a really nice creamy garlic cheese sauce for our chicken. Yes, Dexter, we hear you. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese. And if I go over here, guys, a little extra cheese never hurt nothing. And I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Put just a little more in there. This is a really quick, easy, and going to be super delicious recipe for a weekday when you worked all day and you really don't feel like cooking when you get home. So I'm going to heat this up, and we're going to allow this to heat through until the cheese melts and it starts to thicken up a hair. And I'm going to add some, I have fresh parsley here, I diced up. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon. You could also use the dried parsley if you like. I think I'm going to put another tablespoon in, guys. I'm going to allow this to thicken up here for a minute. Alright, now that my sauce is starting to come to a boil and thicken, I have these chicken patties, like I said. I cooked the directions on the package. I'm just going to get them down into my sauce, and they're hot because they just came out of the oven. I'm going to turn my sauce down to about medium. Maybe we'll turn my sauce down to low. How's that sound? And I'm going to allow my chicken, pork chops, to cook in here for about 2 or 3 minutes just to absorb some of that lovely cream cheese sauce. Alright, this went for a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. It's nice and thickened up. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made a baked potato to go with this. Now you can see how nice and creamy that sauce is. Let me get in here and try this. Yeah, we're doing a taste test, Dexter. That's really good. Sauce is creamy, buttery, cheesy. The breading on the chicken absorbed the sauce and it infused into the chicken. That is a winner, guys. Alright, there you have it. Creamy garlic Parmesan chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.